Wind and water becoming current, Peyton, Ruth, period 7. In this video clip, the red little dots represent the water current, but the straws represent the wind. One of these straws is blowing the dots one way, which represents hot water, while the other straw that is blowing the dots another way represents cold water. The wind controls the water current, so when the wind is blowing both directions, the red dots will circle around each other. The North Atlantic Gyre, located in the Atlantic Ocean, is one of the 5 major ocean gyres. A gyre is a circular system of ocean currents that stretches across the North Atlantic from near the equator. All of the 5 gyres are very much polluted with plastic. This is because when plastic comes from one continent and it goes into one of the gyres, it just spins around and spins around and spins around. It's almost like a huge whirlpool in the middle of the ocean, attracting all this plastic into the center of it. With so much pollution in this gyre, this has a huge effect on everyone's life. Some of the seafood at restaurants could easily be polluted by any of the 5 gyres. With something so huge polluting so much of the ocean, this is a huge problem. Sea life might start dying off, and the actual ocean could start to become seriously polluted. The North Atlantic Gyre and the other 4 gyres is something very important for everyone to know about. The relationship between patterns of global winds and ocean currents is that when the wind picks up, it takes the ocean current in the direction of the wind. So let's say that the wind is blowing west at the equator. The current will move west because that is where the wind is blowing. Wind at the equator moves west, while at mid-latitudes, wind moves east. There is not an ocean current that is not blocked by a continent. Every ocean current is blocked by a continent. When the current gets close to a continent, it stops its route and it turns and misses the continent. Here, 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 and here. And it never actually hits the actual continent. This is why there is no ocean current that is blocked by a continent. Below, in this picture, the arrows represent the currents and where they turn off, and also their stopping point.